Daddy by Leslie Petroselli. This is my daddy. Yo! Daddy is so big and strong. Daddy's legs are so long. Uppy Daddy, up so high. On the shoulders, touch the sky. Daddy's face is scratchy, hairy. Daddy Monster is so scary. Roar! Daddy likes to sing with me. I play horsey on his knee. Giddy up! Yee-haw! Now we wrestle. I'm the best. We're so tired. Time to rest. Sometimes we play. Sometimes he's busy. When he spins me, we get dizzy. Daddy cooks. Daddy cleans. My daddy can do anything. Give me a tubby. Scrubby scrub. Make pancakes. Build. Dance. Each daddy is different, I can see. Dressy, messy, bald, hairy, tall, short. My daddy is just right for me. The end.